It's Robotaxi week, and today there's a meetup of Cybertrucks at Angel's Crest. So we're gonna head up there and join a bunch of Cybertrucks again. Very different, very weird to be doing full self-driving on the canyons at Angel's Crest Highway. So let's go check it out and see all the different cool Cybertrucks at this Robotaxi meetup. The fun part of this is that on the drive up, since it's all uphill, basically going up a mountain, our watt hours per mile, you can see it on the left side, 784. And we're probably gonna make it all back on the way back down because we're at 29% right now. By the time we get to the lookout position, we'll be down to 21%, but getting all the way back down will be about the same percentage because of all the regenerative braking coming downhill. And here we are, we finally made it. Oh my goodness. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 Cybertrucks. 2 of them are green, 3 stainless, a red one, and of course our blue one over there. But a lot of these Cybertrucks you've seen on the channel already, but really fun to see a bunch of them here at Angel's Crest.
We're in the spot like after, oh, there's a bar. I drive every day. Oh, good.
This is crazy close. Look at all these crazy Cybertruck owners. They're just parking right on the edge like this. Actually kind of scary.
Right?
Into the house.